Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. A little bit shaky from the hurricane, but we're coming back. Today, I've got one of Jeff's radios to show you. Now, I couldn't find a cheat sheet. He usually gives me a cheat sheet with a little bit of information about it. I couldn't find a cheat sheet on this radio, so we're just going to wing it. Get this guy out of the way. It's a Magnavox AM/FM 8 transistor. No, wait a minute. I got the wrong glasses on. Yep, it's 8. Couldn't tell if it was 8 or 9. Radio. For me, this tuning dial, which this is a tuning dial right here, is really hard to read because it's on this side, on the FM side, it's red on black. This side's not a problem. This is white on black. That's not a problem. Tuning knob, band switch, on-off volume. I believe it's a 9-volt battery. I struggled with getting this open, so I'm not going to verify, but I think it's a 9-volt battery. And here, oh yeah, here's the earphone jack. Nice looking little radio, good shape, very, very clean. Got a funny little thing on a telescopic antenna. I don't know if the tip broke off and then Jeff or somebody pinched that over to keep it from going down inside and you couldn't get it. It's, let's see, pretty long. Wow. That is a long, oh my gosh. That is probably 3 feet all tucked down inside this thing. That's unusual for a radio this size. Let's turn it on. And we're on, let's see, band select. I can't see again. We're on AM. So it wants me to point it this way because the stations are that way. I'll go down to the bottom of the band. There's the bottom of the band. And I'll turn the volume up. And we'll see what we can hear.
577-2255. That's 855-577-2255. Now, let's get back to Pastor Allen with his message called Obedience and Blessings, Ambivalence and Destruction.
Good. A little tinny, but these small speakers and these old radios were tinny.
Great game. I like watching Jared Goff, but
Yeah,
I think the
that's
predictions
good.
are a little too eager to watch the Vikings break a perfect streak. I think the Vikings win with the wife.
Eso no hagas nada. O sea, pero no.
So, he goes, hey kid, can I talk to you, right? So
They do not like a court that protects.
That much more support.
Doing a good job picking up stations.
Down now by 2 judges in Georgia.
Custodia de suite.
Yeah, very sensitive.
You know, maybe Democrats who are horrible people.
Wow.
In the Big Apple,
Oh, yeah, I am impressed with that AM reception and this super telescopic antenna. Let's see how it does on FM. Okay, we can keep it facing the camera. We're at the top of the band. Music. Lots of music.
Or is a bully. This station is part of the Beasley Best community of caring.
Yeah, it's darn good. I don't know what he paid for it, but got a deal on this.
That $29 AC service deal, that is it.
the pricing and the quality of the diamond.
Gosh, this is a fantastic little radio. Probably a 1960 vintage.
The devil is a better theologian.
Boy, that was That was really good reception. Unfortunately, it doesn't have shortwave. I imagine with the quality of AM and FM, it might have done a pretty good job on shortwave. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, and I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.